This is Brap with Two Strokes. Today I'll be showing you how to put oil in your disc brake rear master cylinder. First, you'll want to get a 7mm wrench. Second, you'll want to get your rear master brake oil. Make sure to get the right number of dot. Like mine says use .4 only, so I bought some .4. That is very important to make sure what number of dot to use. So let's get started. The first thing to fill up your oil is to remove these two 7mm bolts with your 7mm wrench. The bolts should not be that hard to take out. If they're hard to take out, they might be rusted or have dirt in them. You might want to spray a little bit of oil on them to loosen them up. Once you get the two 7mm bolts out, remove the lid. Under the lid it will have a rubber damper. Make sure to not get any dirt on that rubber or inside the cylinder. So once you remove the lid, now you'll want to get your brake fluid and open it up. Once you get the lid off of your brake fluid, there will be an aluminum seal. You would have to peel off or just punch a hole in the top. Then you're able to pour the oil. So once you open up the lid and punch a hole in the top of the seal, you'll be able to pour in your oil. Do not fill your oil all the way to the top of the cylinder. You'll want to leave a little gap for airflow. So I'm going to pour my oil into the rear master cylinder. Remember to leave a little gap for airflow when you close the lid. So now that I have put my oil in, you can see I have left a gap from the top, so that when I put the lid on, there will be an air gap in between the lid and inside. So now get your top lid and put it back on the correct way. Now get your two 7mm bolts and put in. Screw them down by hand. Now get your 7mm wrench and tighten them down, but do not over tighten them. You just want to tighten a little bit so the lid doesn't fall off while you're riding. If you over tighten, you could break the bolt off or crack your lid. Once you get the lid back on and the two 7mm bolts tightened but not over tightened, you'll want to spin the tire like this And while it's spinning, you'll want to press down the back brake to make sure it stops. Make sure to spin the tire and press the rear brake pedal on, just to make sure that the brakes are working, so that you don't go out riding and don't have a back brake. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to put oil in your rear master cylinder disc brake. Make sure to check back for more videos.